Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So today we're going to do a dance tutorial of how to do the Kolors TikTok dance. So it's the one that goes purple tree pasar kata na na na. And a big thanks to Ryan Daniel for creating this awesome dance. If you don't know who he is, go check out his stuff. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Eva, for being the first one to request it. So I'm gonna break the dance into two parts. Now, if you are fast learner, you're always welcome to skip to the full dance preview and run through. Okay, so let's start with the preview of part one. So it starts da 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 me da 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 boom, 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 boom. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, so let me break it down for you. So we want to start with the mop, taking our left hand, placing it like that, and then we want to grab with the right, yeah, and then we want to go to the left, back, right, back. We want to do this 4 times, so it's up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can just do this plain mop and just go like that, or you can put more flavor into it. I have a detailed tutorial on how to do the mop. If you're interested in that, I'll put the link here and in the description. Yeah? Okay, so let's try again from the tip to the top, starting with the left. We're gonna go grab the mop, right arm, grab the mop, then we're gonna go up to your left shoulder, back this one, right shoulder, 2, left shoulder, 3, right shoulder, 4. Now, from here, the right drops, the left goes up, and it's as if you're wiping some sweat off your forehead, yeah? Now, from here, you want to say both arms up, so right before the left drops, and you go up like that, triangle. So let's just try from the tip to the top. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start left, right, and so on. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, right, left, down, right, down, left, 3, right, 4. Now bring your left up, go wipe sweat, both arms up, triangle. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, left, down, right, 2, left, 3, right, 4. Left goes up, wipe sweat, both arms up, triangle. And remember, like with all other dance moves, you don't have to exaggerate, right? You can just do small, low key, yeah? Hey. Alright, moving on. So, right after sweat, triangle, we want to bring them in. We want to prep for the whoa, so the left goes down, the right comes up to your shoulder, and then you want to pull, yeah? And you kind of want to do this wiggle, so you're doing the whoa, alright? So, whoa. So right from here, the triangle, prep, right up, left down, whoa. Yeah, you kind of want to sit in it. And then right after the whoa, the left is going to come up and you want to roll your arms. So left up, right down, now right comes up. Now, when the left comes up again, you want to prep for the clap and go clap. All right, so right after the whoa here, left goes up, around. The second time the left comes up, you want to prep for the clap. So it's whoa, left, and left, up, clap. Let's just try that. So we're gonna go whoa, left, left, clap. All right, 5, 6, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoa, left, left, clap. Again, 7, from here, 7, 8, we go whoa, left, left, clap. All right, so left, left, clap. From here, you want to do sort of half of 8 figure 8. You want to bring your left up, prep, and then you want to swing it to your right here, down here. Want to bring it up, and then when it comes back, you want to bring your right arm as well, so both arms goes boom, boom. Yeah, and you kind of want to bounce here with your feet. So I'm just gonna show from the side. Basically what I'm doing is just lifting on my toes. So I'm going boom, boom. And again, you can do subtle or you can exaggerate. Up to you, right? So, whoa, roll, clap from your left craps and goes figure eight, boom, both arms, and then you go bounce, bounce. So from the triangle, it's gonna be whoa, left, left up, clap, prep for the figure eight, swing, both arms, go boom, boom. All right, guys, let's take it from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. So from the tip to top, it goes left arm, right arm, left, down, right, down, left, 3, right, 3, bring it left up, go wipe sweat, bring both arms up, triangle, now go whoa, roll left, and second time you go clap, prep for the figure eight, down, both arms, boom, boom. And the timing goes so. Purple tree, na 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 na. Curly yellow, da na na na. Cap, boom, boom, boom. All right, time to practice. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start slow. All right. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Purple, da 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 da. Curly yellow. Dan, 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 dan. Cut. Boom. Boom, boom. Let's try that a bit faster. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Purple. Da 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 da. Curly yellow. Da. Boom, boom. Cut. Boom. Boom, boom. And again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Purple. Da da. Da 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 da, curly yellow, da da da, cut, boom, boom, boom. All right, moving on to part 2. So let me start with a quick preview. It goes right after part 1, doom doom, and she's straight from na na na, freaky and she na na na. Tell me she like boys and girls, freestyle whatever you want. Cat. So let's just dive into it. So part 1 was boom boom. From here you wanna say down like that, yeah, then you want to bring them up, yeah, almost like scissors, then you bring them down. All right, so from here we went flat, up, down. Notice how my elbows are saying in, out. All right, so from here you want to pull them out and go hammer. Yeah, I'm just gonna show it from the side. So from here I just did 1, 1, then I'm gonna say hammer. All right, so from here you want to do this hip move, yeah. Now if you don't know how to do the hip move, I have actually 2 tutorials on how to do the hip move. I'll put the first one here and that'll link to the second one. All right, so right after boom you want to say 1 hip, 2 hips, yeah. So boom, boom. I think actually the original goes right, left, but I kind of want to do it to my left, right. Doesn't really matter, right? So just 1, 2. Then from here, you want to kind of continue and go wavy, wavy. All right, so from here, we want to say 1, 2, wavy, wavy. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, wavy, wavy. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, wavy, wavy. Now from here we want to pull up to our hip, yeah, so I just did wavy, wavy, and then I'll bring them behind my head. All right, now if you can do like a body roll here, yeah, so just pushing out your chest and kind of going down, yeah, so chest, stomach, down. Boom, actually you only do chest and stomach. Whoop, yeah, so let's just practice the transition. So we go boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so it's 1, 2, here, here. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, here, here. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, here, here. And then right after that, you want to go, your arms come down and go what? And then you want to say point to the front, And then you wanna do figure 8 again with your left again. But this time you're gonna do a full figure 8 from here, up, here, here. And then from here, you can basically do whatever. People do different things, so you can go okay, whatever you want. Alright guys, now let's do a recap of the full thing here, part 2 only. So, end of part 1 was boom boom, from here, we did here, up, down, and then hit hips, hips, now wavy, wavy, our chest body roll here. Now you want to say what? Point, figure 8, left goes boom, boom, free, stop. And the timing goes, so this was end of part 1, boom, boom, from here. And she's straight from California, freaking na na na. Tell me she like da na na da na. Okay, freestyle here. Alright, let's practice. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. And she's straight from California, freaky na na. And told me she like boys and girls, na na na. Okay, here. Okay, let's try that again, make it a bit faster. So, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8 we go. And she's straight from California, freaking na na na. Told me she like boys na na na. Okay, okay, here. And one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8 we go. And she's straight from California, freaking na 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 na. Tell me na na, boys and girls, voila. Okay, okay. Okay guys, time to do the whole thing from the tip to the top. Let me just combine part 1 and part 2 here. Yeah, so a preview, it goes da 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 dance and boom boom boom. Yeah, straight from Canada, freaking na na na. Tell me na na, boy na ba ba. Okay, okay. And now a quick run through. So from the tip to the top, left goes mob, right, mob. Then we want to mob left, down, right, down, left, 3, right. 4 left goes up, and you want to go sweep, and then 4 thumbs up, triangle, bring it back, you want to do the whoa, left, down, left goes roll up, second time it goes up, you want to say clap, and you want to prep for the figure 8 with the left, boom, arms go both up, and then bounce with your legs. From here you want to say clap down, clap up, clap down. From here you want to hit it and go hip, hip, and then wavy 2 times, boom, and then up to your head, go, you roll. From here you want to go, what? Point to the front, and then you want to figure 8 again, left, boom, this time a full figure 8, and then you can freestyle rest. And the timing goes, purple tree, na 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 na, curly yellow, dancing on me, boom. Boom, boom, and she's straight from California, freaking na 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 na. Told me she like boys and girls. Okay, okay. Okay, time to practice. So I'm gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Purple tree, plus size, got da 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 da. Curly, yellow. Da 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 da. Boom, boom, boom. And she straight from Canada, freaky nana. Tell me she like banana. That's okay. Alright, let's try a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8 we go. Purple tree, da 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 da. Curly yellow, da 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 da. Boom, boom, boom. And she's straight from Canada, freaky. B told me she like boy, na, na. That's okay. And one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8 we go. Purple tree, blossom, na 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 na. Curly yellow, da na na na. Boom, boom, boom. And she straight, da na na. Freaky na 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 na. Tell me she like boy na na. That's okay. Okay, so now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. Alright, so that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Kolors TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.